Prasadam, Shri Suresh Gopi will also be joining us. The Aarti of Devi taking place inside the Sanctum Sanctorum. The unique planetary positions on Shivaratri creating a powerful natural upsurge of energy. The energy of Linga Bhairavi strengthens the three basic chakras in the human system, stabilizing one's body, mind and energy systems. And for those who seek to live life intensely, Devi's grace assists in the process. Whether a devotee seeks to acquire, enjoy or transcend the physical and material aspects of life, Devi assists in whatever one's aspirations may be. And may the grace of Devi permeate among us all. Shri Rajnath Singh receiving the prasadam, Shri Devendra Fadnavis and Amrita Fadnavis receiving the prasadam. Shri L. Murugan and Shri Suresh Gopi getting it. Our honored dignitaries will now proceed towards Chandrakund. The Chandrakund, as you know, is the feminine counterpart to Suryakund. Sacred water body with an energized linga consecrated by Sadhguru, specially for women. Tying of the turmeric. This sutra is an appeal for Devi's grace and for the well-being of one's family. All our dignitaries now tying the Mangalya Bala Sutra, which is a turmeric dyed thread along with a turmeric root around the Trishul. Soon they will proceed to Chandrakund. Chandrakund is embedded 30 feet below the ground. It's a short walk and approached by a descent of 32 massive steps. with a rushing waterfall at one end. As they move forward, glimpses from around Isha Yoga Center, a consecrated space for one's well-being. The Kund itself is framed by gigantic granite stones. And we also have a colorful mural on the ceiling that has been painted using vibrant natural colors and vegetable dyes in the traditional 15th century Kerala style of painting. Very soon you'll be able to see the sacred water body with the energized linga consecrated by Sadhguru, specially for women. Sadhguru explaining the construct of Chandrakund. There you can see the waterfall. Clearly, the Minister of Defence is impressed with what he's seeing. It is indeed a very special night, ladies and gentlemen. An exuberant night-long celebration. The mural that I mentioned to you earlier, painted by hand on the vaulted ceiling of Chandrakund. It is the image of the Kumbh Mela, celebrated historically. All our guests moving towards Dhyanalinga. As I mentioned earlier, we have with us the Honorable Minister of Defence, Shri Rajnath Singh, the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis, and his wife, Srimati Amrita Fadnavis, the Honorable Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting and Parliamentary Affairs, Shri L. Murugan. We also have the member of the Legislative Assembly from Tamil Nadu, Shri S.P. Velumani. We are now inside Dhyana Linga, the dream of many enlightened beings. This was consecrated by Sadhguru after 3 years of an intense process of Prana Pratishta, a pure energy process where the energies of all 7 chakras are raised to the peak and locked to prevent dissipation over time. A doorway to enlightenment and liberation, Dhyana Linga offers a spiritual seeker the opportunity to do sadhana in the most intimate way and in the intimate presence of a live guru, an opportunity traditionally available only to a select few. The Honorable Minister of Defence and other dignitaries will participate in the Panchabhuta Kriya, which is a process of purifying the 5 elements within the human system. We are seeing glimpses from within Linga Bhairavi temple. Back at Dhyana Linga now. They will offer a Linga Jyoti and a lotus flower to Dhyana Linga. The Linga Jyoti is a unique lamp that combines the elements of water and fire and has been designed by Sadhguru to be offered to Dhyana Linga as a symbol of purification and light. You can see the Honorable Minister of Defence leading our guests as they do the parikrama. The Dhyana Linga already has other guests seated within it, waiting for the start of the Panchabhuta Kriya. The Panchabhuta Kriya is a process of purifying the 5 elements within the human system, known as Bhuta Shuddhi in yoga. The Kriya takes place every month at the Dhyana Linga.